how to find your Gmail's password or your Google account's password. If you have saved your password somewhere, it is probably on your Google account. So let's see how you can view your password. For that, open your settings first. So once you open your settings, you can scroll all the way down to find Google services. From here, you can directly see Password Manager here, or you can directly click here to go to Password Manager. But if you don't have this option, just tap on Manage your Google account and scroll a bit to the left and tap on Security. Scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will find the Password Manager, so just tap on Manage Passwords and all of your saved passwords on this account will be here. So Google's password will definitely be here because it is the first one that will be saved on your account. So once you do that, to view your password, just tap here and authenticate that it's really you with fingerprint or whatever biometrics you've set, or your PIN code or passcode. And here is your email, and to view your password, simply tap on this eye icon to reveal your password. And that's how you can easily see your Google account's password. I hope this was helpful. If so, hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.